ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏಜಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಸ್. Coming to the first question, if Jai's income is 30% more than that of Nikita, how much percent of Nikita's income is less than that of Jai? ಈಗ Jai's income is 30% more than Nikita's income. Okay, but they've not given us exact Jai's income ಎಷ್ಟು, Nikita income ಎಷ್ಟು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. So let us assume Nikita's income, N for short, Nikita's income is 100. Okay, ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, 100, 200, 1000, just one value ಅಂತ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ 100. Next, they told us that Jai's income is 30% more, 30% ಜಾಸ್ತಿ than Nikita's income. So Jai income is equal to 30% more than N. So ಈಗ 30% more ಅಂದ್ರೆ it will be 100, which is Nikita's income, plus 30% of 100. This is equal to 100 plus 30% of 100. 100 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which is 100 plus 30 equal to 130, which is the income of Jai. Okay. Now, next part of the question. How much percent of Nikita's income is less than that of Jai? So, Nikita's income 100, Jai's income 130. Nikita's income ಎಷ್ಟು less ಇದೆ Jai's income compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? 30. 130 minus 100, which is 30. But they are asking us ಇಲ್ಲಿ percentage. So, 30 by how much percentage is Nikita's income less than that of Jai? So Jai's income is to 130 by 130 into 100. 0 0 cancel. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ approximately 23.0769 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, which you can round to 23.08%. So ಈ number find ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ there is a simpler formula. X by x plus 100 into 100. This much percentage. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, where x is the given percentage and this formula ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು coming back to the original amount percentage find ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. For example, if A is 30% more than B, where A is Jai and B is Nikita, then how much percentage of B is less than that of A? Find ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So ಈ example ಅಲ್ಲಿ x which is given to us is 30. So how much percent less find ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ formula. So 30 by 30 plus 100 into 100, which is 30 by 130 into 100, which is the same calculation as this ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So directly plug into this formula, given value of x, and find the answer. Correct option is option A, 23.08%. Coming to the next question. A man made a contribution of 7% of his income to a poor person. ಬಡ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 7% ಕೊಟ್ರು and saved 25% of the balance amount. If he now has rupees 2,500 left, then find his income. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ income amount ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, it is unknown value. So let us assume income is equal to rupees x. So poor people get 7%. Poor is 7%. 7% of what his income, which is X. ಆಮೇಲೆ he saved 25% of the balance amount. So ನಮ್ ಬಡ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 7% ಕೊಟ್ಟಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? Balance is 100 minus 7, which is 93% of X. ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Only 25% of the balance amount. So savings is 25% of balance. Balance ಎಷ್ಟು? 93% of X. So 25% of 93 ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 23.25% of X. So 23.25% of his X, that is income, ಅವನು ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. Okay. Now next part of the question. If he now has rupees 2,500 left, then find his income. ಅಂದ್ರೆ find X. 2,500 left. So ನಮ್ಗೀಗ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 23.25% of X ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 23.25% of X is equal to 2,500. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 23.25 by 100 into X, which is 2,500. X will equal to 2,000. ಇದು 25,000 ಅಲ್ಲ, 2,500. X is equal to 2,500 into 100. .25. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಫೈನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 10,752.688. ಇದನ್ನ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 6.88 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6.9 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So we found X, which is his income. Correct option is option B. Coming to the next question. A bucket has 60 liters of milk and water mixture made by mixing milk and water, in which 80% is milk. Okay. Now Rohan added some water to the mixture such that the percentage of milk became 60%. So ಮುಂಚೆ 80% ಇತ್ತು milk, ಈಗ 60% ಆಯ್ತು. Find out how much water he added to the mixture. Illi, they have given us initially percentage of milk is equal to 80%. So percentage of water ಎಷ್ಟು? 80% milk ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ percentage of water is equal to the remaining amount 20%. The mixture total amount is 60 liters. So in 60 liters, total water ಎಷ್ಟು? In liters. 20% of 60. Then if calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be 12 liters. And of course remaining 60 minus 12 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 48. 48 liters milk ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 12 liters water. Now Rohan added some water to the mixture. Rohan added some water to the mixture, and question is find out how much water he added. So that is our unknown illi. Let water added equal to X. X liters. Now 12 plus X, because ಮುಂಚೆ 12 liters water ಇತ್ತು, ಈಗ extra X liters of water. So total water right now is 12 plus X divided by total of the mixture. ಮುಂಚೆ 60 ಇತ್ತು, ಈ extra X liters add ಆಯ್ತು mixture ಗೆ. So 60 plus X into 100 is equal to 40. How 40? ಈಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ percentage of water in the new mixture ನೋಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Total water divided by total mixture into 140. Why 40? Because percentage of milk became 60. So water will be the remaining. 100 minus 60, 40. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1200 plus 100x is equal to 2400 plus 40x. Simple calculation. 100x minus 40x is equal to 2400 minus 1200. 60x is equal to 1200. We bring 60 this side. X is equal to 1200 divided by 60 ನಿಮಗೆ 20 liters ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is X? What did we assume to be X? X is the water added. And question allo now ಅದೇ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. Let's go back to the slides. Correct option is option D, 20 liters. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.